Hi, I'm Dr. Jade Husby with Stanford Hearing, and we're here today with some tips and tricks to help ensure that your hearing journey is a success. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to clean this style of hearing aid, also known as a custom hearing aid. What we mean by custom is that this hearing aid, no matter what variety it is, has been custom made to your specific ear anatomy. So as you can see, I've got a few things over here. What these are the wax filters. So depending on what kind of hearing aid, what brand you have, you are going to have a different wax filter. This is not a comprehensive list of filters and companies. However, I wanted to just throw a few in here so you had an idea of what you could be looking at. All of these are going to be cleaned the exact same way. So I'm just going to grab one here. We've got the little white piece at the end here is called our wax filter. If we flip it over on the what we call the face plate, we've got our battery door on this one. For instance, here we do not have a battery door, we have contacts. This is a rechargeable custom. This one here is going to have a battery. And then sometimes we have a little pull tab here, which is to help get the hearing aid out. Not all customs have this tab. This one does not, but I just wanted to show you some examples here. So no matter what yours looks like, this cleaning video is going to remain consistent. The biggest thing that we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to take our brush and we're going to want to wipe any excess off, any debris, any wax, anything that could be collecting in any of these important areas. So we can even open our battery door, we can clean that out. Any place that looks like it needs to be wiped clean. You don't ever want to take anything with any liquid to the hearing aid. So no alcohol wipe, nothing like that, unless your provider has okayed that for you. So in this instance here, we are going to use these blue boxed wax sticks. We're going to take this and we're going to pull out a stick. Here we have a new filter on the one end, and on this end we have nothing. The end with nothing is actually going to be the end we stick in here, straight in and pull out. There is your old filter. That one's all dirty. We're going to turn the stick around, and we're just going to pop a brand new one in and kind of twist it off. There we go. This is trash. Throw that away. And now you have a clean hearing aid with a new wax filter. That's all you need to do if you have this kind of hearing aid for cleaning, again, besides using your brush to clean any other areas that may require it. Stay tuned for more. If you have any other questions or concerns relating to this video, please visit our website or call us. We look forward to hearing from you.